Download this code from codegive.com, link in the description below. OK, let's dive into part 12 of our Compose WebView tutorial series, focusing on displaying a no internet connection screen when the WebView can't load due to network issues. We'll cover the rationale, implementation details, code examples, and best practices to create a user-friendly experience. Compose WebView tutorial part 12. Handling no internet connection gracefully. 1. The importance of handling no internet. A web view loading a web page relies entirely on a stable internet connection. When that connection is unavailable, the web view typically shows a default, often unhelpful, error message. This leaves the user confused and frustrated. A better approach is to inform the user, clearly communicate that the problem is a lack of internet connectivity. Offer guidance, suggest actions the user can take, example check their Wi-Fi, enable mobile data. Maintain a professional look, integrate the no internet message seamlessly into your app's design. Provide retry option, allow the user to easily retry loading the web view once they've regained connectivity. 2. Strategies for detecting internet connectivity. Before displaying the no internet screen, we need to reliably detect the absence of a connection. There are several approaches. Connectivity Manager, Android System API. This is the standard, system-provided mechanism. It allows you to query the network state and listen for network changes. However, it requires the access_network_state permission. Network capabilities, Android System API, newer, introduced in API Level 23, Marshmallow. Network capabilities offer a more detailed view of network capabilities. You can check for things like whether a connection is metered, expensive, or unmetered, Wi-Fi. It also requires access_network_state. Reactive streams, example Rx Java, Kotlin flows. You can wrap the Connectivity Manager's callbacks, example unavailable, unlost, into reactive streams. This makes it easier to observe network changes in a reactive and asynchronous manner. Ping a known host, less reliable. This involves sending a ping request to a well-known, reliable server, example google.com. If the ping fails, you can assume the device is offline. This method isn't as reliable as the Connectivity Manager because a ping failure doesn't guarantee a complete lack of internet access. It could be a temporary DNS issue or firewall rule. Combined approach. For robust detection, you can combine Connectivity Manager with a ping check to a reliable host as a secondary measure. 3. Implementation steps and code example, using Connectivity Manager and Kotlin flows. Let's create a composable function to manage the web view and display the no internet screen when needed. We'll use Connectivity Manager and Kotlin flows for a reactive approach. Explanation. 1. Network state sealed class defines the two possible states, available and unavailable. 2 is network available, context. This function uses Connectivity Manager to check if the device has an active network connection. It uses different approaches depending on the Android API version. It's crucial to handle the deprecation of active network info gracefully. 3. Observe network connectivity, context. This composable function exposes a stateflow network state that emits network state updates when the network becomes available or unavailable. It uses Connectivity Manager.network callback to listen for network changes. This function takes care of registering and unregistering the network callback to prevent memory leaks and ensure proper cleanup. This is a reactive approach that uses Kotlin flows. For web view with no internet check, URL, ***. It gets the context using local context.current. Asterisk it uses the observe network connectivity function to get a state flow network state. Asterisk it uses collect as state to convert the state flow to a state, allowing compose to observe changes to the network state. Asterisk var webview equals null. This variable holds a reference to the webview instance. We use this to reload the webview after the connection is restored. Important to make it nullable. Asterisk var is webview loaded by remember mutable state of false, this state variable to track if the webview has successfully loaded the URL at least once. This prevents the webview from reloading multiple times, instead loading only when the network changes from unavailable to available. Asterisk var is loading by remember mutable state of true, track if the webview is loading. It is set to true whenever the webview starts to load a URL, and set to false when it is finished loading or when an error is received. Asterisk conditional UI asterisk the composable uses a column and checks the current network state. Asterisk network state dot unavailable asterisk displays a no internet connection screen with a retry button. The retry button calls is network available, again before attempting to reload the URL. Asterisk network state dot available asterisk displays the web view. The web view loads the URL and set is web view loaded to true. 5 Android view asterisk creates a web view instance using Android view. We create a basic web view client and make this class as a object, singleton instance, to prevent multiple object creations. This client handles page loading and error events, updating the is web view loaded state accordingly. 6 Launched effect, network state, asterisk uses a launched effect to reload the web view whenever the network state changes from unavailable to available. 7 Permissions asterisk remember to add the uses permission Android name equals android.permission.access_network_state/permission to your Android manifest.xml file. 4. Enhancements and best practices. Asterisk customizable UI asterisk allow the user to customize the no internet screen's appearance, text, icons, colors, through theming or configuration options. Asterisk error handling asterisk in the web view client, handle other potential errors, example SSL certificate errors, HTTP errors, and display appropriate messages. Asterisk loading indicator asterisk show a loading indicator while the web view is loading content, especially during the initial load and retries. Asterisk periodic checks asterisk instead of solely relying on network change events, you could periodically check the network state, example every 5 seconds, to catch scenarios where the event listener might miss a change. However, be mindful of battery consumption if you use frequent periodic checks. Asterisk consider web view asset loader asterisk if your web view needs to load local assets, HTML, CSS, JavaScript, even when offline, investigate using web view asset loader. Asterisk web view compat library asterisk as you can see the code contains imports like androidx.weket.webviewcompat and androidx.weket.webview feature. These are from the web view compat library, which provides backward compatible access to newer web view features on older Android devices. This is important for ensuring your web view features work across a wide range of Android versions. 5. Alternative, using a third-party library, for connectivity. While Connectivity Manager is the standard approach, some third-party libraries can simplify connectivity monitoring. Examples include *Chucker*, often used for network inspection, but also provides connectivity status. *RxJava or Kotlin flows-based libraries *, wrapping Connectivity Manager for easier reactive handling. You'd need to find a suitable library and adapt the code accordingly. 6. Putting it all together, complete example. Important considerations *. Asterisk permissions asterisk make sure you have requested and received the access_network_state permission at runtime if your target SDK requires it. Asterisk web view configuration asterisk configure the web view settings, JavaScript enabled, caching, etc., according to your specific requirements. Asterisk testing asterisk thoroughly test the no internet screen on various devices and network conditions, Wi-Fi disconnect, airplane mode, cellular data disabled. This comprehensive tutorial covers how to display a user-friendly no internet connection screen in your Compose WebView application. Remember to adapt the code and UI to match your app's style and branding for a seamless user experience. Good luck.